Hey John, this is Ryan with TrendLizard.com. I hope you're doing well. Thanks for sending the email with the three tickers that you want me to analyze. We're going to get started right away and with CRM, Salesforce.com, trading on the New York Stock Exchange. So this is the long-term chart for CRM. It was incepted back in 2004. Since its inception, it's been in a very steady uptrend. There have been a few blips along the way, notably the decline in 2008. And again in early 2016. Other than that, it's been a one-way road for CRM, and it's continued up substantially from around maybe $1 or $2 up to 90 at its current position. So overall, CRM is clearly very bullish. It's hard to look at its long-term pattern and find really clear, trendy, impulsive moves within, but certainly the move is a trend and one that is not yet complete. So we're confident that this uptrend is not over. The more important question is determining how much further it might go and whether it's a good buying opportunity right now at this moment. So we will zoom in and take a little bit closer look as we go here. So let's go ahead and zoom in here. This takes a look at the advance off the late 2011 low. As we get further and further into the details here, we see that the move does have a lot of nice trendy moves internally, which is good to see, good action. It looks like the advance that started in late 2011 is getting closer towards its completion, but it doesn't look complete yet, and higher prices are definitely indicated. I think the bigger question for you is this a buying opportunity right now? So let's go ahead and zoom in on this more proximate action to see what we can find. So here we are, we've zoomed in on the advance off the 2016 low. This represents the most recent up leg since the last big pullback. The last big pullback ended about 54. Since then, CRM's recovered nicely and moved all the way back up to 88. So this is bullish action. It's trendy. It has the potential to continue much higher from here, but I think it requires maybe some white glove treatment here in the near term, and I'll show you why. It looks like the up leg that began in December is nearing its end here. So we look for 5-wave moves. This is a 5-wave move. It looks like it's nearing completion. So if you haven't bought it yet, I don't know that it would be an immediate buying opportunity. I think what you'd want to do is wait for this up leg to be corrected here. So basically, once we see CRM move below 83, we can be confident that this up leg is completed. From there, we want to see some type of counter trend pullback, and at that time, it would become a good buying opportunity. If instead you already own CRM, you can use 83 as a tight stop, as a clue to get out to avoid the next big pullback and go from there. So essentially, I would look for a larger pullback. As long as CRM stays above 74 on any larger pullback that does happen, it's going to remain bullish and be a buying opportunity. And this is certainly one that I can take a look at for you again as it progresses and see when the time is right to buy it. So again, if you haven't bought it yet, I would look for a larger pullback, which would be indicated by a move below 83. And from there, once the pullback ends, we would look to buy into any notable strength from there. So that's the first one. I hope that's helpful, John. I'll get to your other tickers in just a minute. Thanks.